Capricorn, what's up? Show me Capricorn. Six of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, the Seven of Swords. Kind of depends on how intense your doubts are. I could see where it'd swing either way for you. So the Six of Pentacles, some sort of pre-existing balance that you are familiar with. Could be any sort of balance. Balances are plentiful. Plentiful and vast, and they all have different sizes and shapes and depths and things like that. So something here you are familiar with, some sort of balance that does exist in the 3D or has the potential to still. Your question is, should I continue to connect to it? Because right now you're thinking maybe not. Seven of Swords. But you are familiar with it, and in some ways it does attract you and turns you on. Knight of Wands. In other words, you could have the energy for it, yeah. But your mind's kind of creeping away from it. It's like, do I want to, though? Okay. It's like, yeah, I'm familiar with that balance. It's practiced. You know, I helped develop it. I was part of it in some way. So you were. It still kind of attracts you. But honestly, there's a Seven of Swords there. Doubt. Okay. And that can lead to avoidance with the Seven of Swords. So that tells me, prior to this, you were probably fine connecting to it until at some point you weren't. And now you're wondering if you should continue to or to bother. Should you start making excuses or what? All right. What's up? What's going on? The Hanged Man, Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. Oh, see, that's you. That's more like you. Yeah, I get the motivation now. So the Hanged Man, Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. Not too long ago, actually, you've been starting to contemplate deeper meanings, and potential. More, like a lot more. Ace of Pentacles versus a Ten of Cups is obviously a great deal superior than that. So that tells me, like I said, you have to practice this balance. In order to know you have a balance, you have to participate. You have to practice it. So you've practiced this enough to understand that, yeah, there's a core value of attraction there, some lighthearted energy. It moves kind of fast. It has a pulse, right? And that's been nice. It might even been thrilling up until a point. But now you're like, is it enough, though? Is it sustaining? Can it grow? Seven of Swords. That's a lot of doubt. That's a lot of internal kind of critique that says, I doubt it. So we've been wondering about the long-term prospects, and is that actually viable? Can I get more from this connection? Perhaps not. Do you have any absolutes? No, and I'm not about to tell you because I didn't see that here. I didn't see an absolute decision. And even then, I would say the choice is yours, and it still is. The Hanged Man, Ten of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. You've connected enough with that long enough to know that it can take you places or not.